Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a monalisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet.
Hey y'all! Welcome back to the channel. So in today's vid I'm going to be doing another speed build since you guys love the other one small, so I am back with another tiny house to decorate. Hope you enjoy.
Getting on in and falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging up the back, all of me go last. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them drugs. Give me what I want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying what kind of these is 2 days. I need me at least about 4 of them, more of them, more you, more me, more us. Just tell me you want me, yeah, one day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing on weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
I'm way past gone, and I just see the bottom of this bottle. I just woke up to a room full of models who know that I ain't calling them tomorrow. It's been so long since I've been on this level right here. Waking up after I passed out, I put my clothes on before I mash out. Guess I've been losing my mind, wasting my time, rocking these hoes and sipping this wine, skipping the lines and getting inside, getting the bottle and feeding them live. Shorty said she need a ride, I tell her cool and get ready to slide into my room, I hit her from behind, do it again like a person rewind, 'cause I ain't never babysitting, I
Sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank.
fade it.
Put your head on my shoulder.
She put my name with yellow hearts. Her favorite color like the stars. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start. She put my name with yellow hearts. Yeah, she did. I said she was a work of art. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start. I drive down open roads so slow. Here comes the train, I let it go. Ain't got nobody on my phone. Don't like being all alone. Not good at keeping with the trends. So good at welcoming a mess. It's been a while since I heard her say that we were more than friends.
Here's the final reveal.
Know a lot is going on, but girl, please tell me, and I'll let you be. Are you still with me or not? She put my name with yellow hearts. Her favorite color like the stars. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start. She put my name with yellow hearts. I said she was a work of art.
Hope y'all like the build, and I'll see y'all in my next vid. Bye!